Human geography is the study of how people affect and are influenced by the Earth's surface.
Architecture varies between time period and place. Modern architecture is characterized by glass and concrete. This is an example of modern architecture.
Animal domestication is the domestication of animals. A map is a two-dimensional representation of Earth's surface, or a portion of it. This is an example of a map. It's a map of downtown Summerlin. This is a compass showing the orientation of the map, and this is a legend showing some symbols that are on the map.
Gender is the social differences between men and women. It can be seen everywhere, such as clothing stores and public restrooms.
Folk culture versus pop culture shows the differences between isolated ethnic cultures and modern widespread cultures. An example of folk culture would be this necklace, which is a jade and it represents Chinese culture. An example of popular culture would be American Eagle Outfitters, which is a cool store.
Suburbanization is the growth of areas on the fringes of cities.
Suburbs!
A landlocked state is one that is surrounded by land and has no access to the sea. The United States is not a landlocked nation, but Nevada is a landlocked state. We're surrounded by mountains and desert. Movement refers to the mobility of people. For example, a freeway.
The technology gap describes the contrast between the high levels of technology in the developed world and the low levels of technology in the developing world. Pretty much everyone in the developed world has phones and technology. We both have phones. There's the opposite. It has a lot of phones and technological things. Hey, ta-da! Why is human geography important? Well, human geography isn't just limited to the textbook. You can see human geography no matter what you're eating, where you are, or what you're doing. The tea you're drinking is found in Sri Lanka, the spaghetti in Italy, the garlic powder in China, the cashews in Thailand, and your laundry detergent and spices in Canada. Human geography can also be seen in the way of nationalism, displaying pride of where you are from. If you're a tourist, you're experiencing human geography, whether you're going to Hawaii and buying a beautiful bracelet or a beautiful fan from Korea. Culture is also an important part of human geography, which is found in everyday life, such as fashion, between different places, and everyday items such as instruments, which can be either region-specific and important to culture, or popular and found around the world. Altogether, human geography isn't just something with a bunch of terms that you'll memorize and never really touch again. It's an essential part of everyday life and has to do with the whole world.